Hey party planners! Looking to throw the ultimate baby shark themed birthday bash? You're in the right place. From colorful ocean vibes to fin-tastic DIY ideas, we've got everything you need to make your little one's special day unforgettable. Whether it's your baby's first birthday or a toddler's fun fest, these baby shark decoration ideas will wow your guests and delight the birthday star. What colors should I use for a baby shark theme? Think bright and bubbly. Use ocean blues, sunny yellows, pinks, and purples. These colors reflect the underwater baby shark world perfectly. You can mix pastel tones for a softer touch or go bold for a vibrant look. Accent with white bubbles and seafoam green to bring it all together. Table covers, balloons, and banners in these shades will set the tone. Don't forget to match your cake and party favors too. How can I decorate the entrance? Create an under-the-sea tunnel using streamers and balloon arches. Add cutouts of baby shark characters waving hello. Use bubble garlands or hanging jellyfish crafts for extra charm. Place a welcome to the shark party sign at the front. Use ocean sound effects or music to excite guests as they enter. Don't forget a photo booth right at the start. Keep watching for more decoration magic. What are some fun wall decoration ideas? Set up a baby shark backdrop with all the characters smiling. Use wall decals or paper waves and coral reefs to enhance the scene. Hang sea creature cutouts like fish, turtles, and starfish. Include a birthday banner with your child's name and age. Glow-in-the-dark sea lights can add a magical effect. Print and stick baby shark song lyrics for sing-alongs. Can I use balloons creatively for this theme? Absolutely. Balloons can make the whole place come alive. Go for ocean-colored balloons in clusters for a sea bubble look. Try shark-shaped balloons or baby shark character prints. Balloon garlands on tables and walls add volume and fun. You can even create a shark mouth balloon arch for photos. LED balloons can light up the party as it gets darker. Subscribe for more ideas just like this. What kind of table setup works best? Use ocean blue tablecloths and themed paper plates. Place a centerpiece with baby shark toys or coral reef decor. Name tags shaped like fish can be a cute personal touch. Add mini treasure chests or seashells as table scatter. Use themed napkins and party hats to complete the look. Consider placing bubble bottles at each seat for fun. How do I make a DIY photo booth? Use a blue backdrop with cutouts of underwater scenery. Add a baby shark frame for guests to hold. Include props like shark fins, goggles, and bubbles. Hang fishnets and streamers around the area. Use waterproof lights or shiny paper to mimic water. Label it Shark Selfie Station for a fun vibe. Keep watching. More DIY fun is ahead. Can I make themed centerpieces at home? Yes. Start with clear jars filled with blue water beads. Add toy sharks, fish, or sea plants inside. Wrap the jars with netting or anchor charms. You can also use paper sharks popping out of the top. Painted cardboard submarines or treasure chests work too. Add battery lights inside for a glow-up effect. What are some fun ceiling decorations? Hang blue and white streamers to mimic waves. Add floating jellyfish made from paper lanterns and ribbons. Use fishing wire to hang plush sea animals overhead. Include bubble garlands or pom-poms for texture. Add baby shark characters peeking from the ceiling. Twinkle lights can simulate sunshine underwater. Comment if you'd try this idea. Should I decorate the cake table separately? Definitely. It's the party's main spotlight. Use a special cloth with ocean or wave patterns. Place the cake on a raised platform with themed wrappers. Surround it with baby shark figurines or cupcakes. Add a birthday banner and name display in front. Use seashells, confetti, and LED candles to finish the look. What about outdoor baby shark parties? Great idea. Use water games like splash pools or bubble machines. Set up shaded tents with ocean-themed sheets. Hang decorations from trees and fence posts. Inflatable sea animals and beach balls add flair. Use chalk to draw fish and sea waves on the pavement. Have a baby shark playlist softly playing in the background. Any final quick tips for a stress-free decor setup? Plan early and prep decorations a day before. Use reusable items like fabric banners and plastic props. Print labels and place them in storage bins for easy access. Get help from family or hire a helper if needed. Keep a checklist so nothing gets missed. Relax and enjoy the process. It's a celebration of love. Ready to plan your own baby shark party? Let's wrap up. There you have it, baby shark party ideas that are easy, fun, and unforgettable. From balloon waves to themed tables, every detail can sparkle with ocean magic. With just a little creativity, your home can transform into an underwater adventure. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about creating joy. Capture all the smiles, laughter, and dance moves along the way. Whether it's DIY or store-bought, your touch makes it special. We hope these ideas bring your party to life. Enjoyed the ideas? Tell us your favorite decoration tip in the comments. Got your own twist on a baby shark party? We'd love to hear it. Share this video with someone planning a birthday soon. And if you're ready to dive in, start decorating today. See you in the next video with more party magic.